Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of mathematics, focusing on a concept that's not only important in our studies, but also in our daily lives. But before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of content. Let's proceed. We will be talking about the fascinating concept called proportion. A proportion is an equation comparing two equal ratios. The numbers in the proportion are called terms. There are two parts in a proportion. The means refer to the inner terms in the proportion, and the extremes are the outer numbers in the proportion. There are three kinds of proportion: direct, indirect, or inverse, and partitive. In this video, we will be tackling only direct proportion. What is direct proportion? Direct proportion is the kind of proportion that is said to be direct if the increase or decrease of a quantity causes the increase or decrease of another quantity. Example: students have to organize some numbers into small and big numbers, which are written in the following table. Smaller numbers, 3, n. Bigger numbers, 5 and 30. To get the value of n, first we have to set up the proportion, where it will be written as 3 is to 5 equals to n is to 30. Next, multiply the extremities and means, which will result in 5n or Kruskal 3x 30 or 90. Then, divide both sides by 5 to give us a result of n or Kruskal 18. Therefore, the missing term is 18. Please try this at home. 13, 26, 35, n. Just a fun fact. Maybe you will be wondering why all of this matters. Understanding proportion and direct proportion has practical applications in various aspects of our lives. From scaling objects and adjusting recipes to navigating financial decisions, these concepts are everywhere. So there you have it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. I will be expecting you to keep an eye out for these concepts in your everyday experiences. Stay curious and keep those mathematical minds buzzing.